Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Pixeled Apps. As a regular audience, you must be familiar that our channel produces 4 to 5 videos every week. But ever wondered what happens behind the scenes? Starting from an idea, then the execution and then the iterations are what brings us to a final complete video. So today, why not relive that journey with us? Let me just build a plot for you. From this green long list, topics are shortlisted for video making. This requires some management, wherein the tasks, the topics, the deadline, the starting and the ending date, reviews, and everything has to be documented. Organizing tasks is a must, else, we would lose track of who is doing what or if he or she is even doing something. The script writers get started with their work. That's where our head start begins. Now, let's discuss in detail how the management sheets work, what the format is, and how they work. Sheets is a user-friendly interface which makes it easy to operate and keep an eye on the ongoing task. Firstly, the topic is researched and added to the sheet under the list of topics against the name of the person to whom the topic is assigned and the deadline is decided. Everything goes according to some steps. The topic is discussed with the video production manager, and after it gets approved, we start with the script writer who writes the script on the topic selected, and then the video actor who plays a role in creating the video according to the script and uploads that video on Google Drive. After the uploading is completed, the video editor edits and adds graphics and voice modulation to the video. After these tasks are completed, the video gets reviewed by the reviewer who then completes the final checklist and makes sure there are no discrepancies in the video. The video is then uploaded to YouTube as private, wherein the title, description, and tags are added, and finally it is scheduled to go live and it is presented in front of you. After a week, once the video is live, we take over a look over the comments, the likes, and the views and see if the topic attracted the audience. We go over the YouTube channel's analytics and study and make notes under the tab analytics to see if our video is doing fine and if the topic choices are increasing the level and the subscribers of our YouTube. And we also optimize the video by performing the task listed under SEO tab, which we research every other week and take notes. The responsible person thereby adds their finishing date, the time spent on the video, and the reviews provided by the manager. There is also a tab which helps in keeping a track of attendance against the name of the person, their present days, their absent days, and also the percentage of the attendance of how many days the person has attended the meets. That was it for the video. Thank you for watching. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to check out our book that's exclusively available on Amazon.